Video that has just been posted by Bharatiya Janata Party. This is a video of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who visited last night to meet the people over there. And yesterday night, when Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary went to see these injured victims of the Ram Navami Rajinagar violence, BJP workers gave "Go Back" slogan to him. This is the video, in fact, that's been posted. Let's also listen into what's happening in this video. All right, let's quickly go across to Kamalika. Kamalika, if you could explain what was the reason behind Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, in fact, visiting all these people, and the Bharatiya Janata Party, as we can hear, is of course asking him to go back. Clearly, politicization has already begun.
See, this is a place like this. Murshidabad is an area which is generally known as to be Adhir Bastion. So definitely there the Bharatiya Janata Party is not only angry with the Mamata government, but also with Adhir Chaudhary, and the fact that Adhir Chaudhary went yesterday to see the injured, he faced wrath there. On the other hand, the Congress, the Adhir Chaudhary, people close to Adhir Chaudhary, they are saying that this type of tension is created by the Bharatiya Janata Party, and the fact that this thing can happen. Adhir Chaudhary also had informed Election Commission a couple of days back. So it's absolutely war of words, and all the parties are blaming each other, and the violence has taken place. And most importantly, tomorrow the first phase of election will start in North Bengal, where I am standing. Cooch Behar, Jalpaiguri, Alipurduar. Cooch Behar is also very sensitive. Whether Bengal can go for a violence-free first phase election, that is yet another challenge.
You know, Kamalika, the basic question that comes to mind is that despite the riders from the Calcutta High Court, what was the situation like yesterday? Were the riders followed? Did the Mamata government and the administration provide adequate security or not? Why couldn't they prevent this entire incident?
Obviously, that's a big question, but as far as the Election Commission ordered the administration also to take strong steps and vigil, the sources in the administration says that those things were kept in mind. But even then this incident took place. But definitely it's a question that why did it happen, and after all there was this hunch, there was this tension that something might go wrong, and it actually happened. So definitely it's a big question on the administration.
All right, absolutely. Security tensions and the politicization amid all of that, much to be battled by the Congress government as opposition now trains its guns at the CM. In fact, many thanks to you, Kamalika, for bringing in all the latest. And with that, let's now shift focus over to another controversy, the EVM controversy, which is currently heating up as Priyanka Gandhi and her remarks have sparked a row.